Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device can use a live image. Install Pinterest and a compatible launcher or live wallpaper host. Once done, sign into Pinterest and find the post with the image, GIF, or short video you want. Make sure the Pinterest app has permission to access storage and to set wallpapers. This prevents permission prompts later. Now open the image in full view and tap the three dots or share icon to export it to your wallpaper app. Do that now to prepare the file. Next, you convert and import the media because not all launchers accept Pinterest links directly. Once you export or share the file to a converter, trim and convert to a supported format like WebP or a properly optimized GIF so it uses less battery. Then open your live wallpaper host, choose the imported file, and adjust scale, crop, and looping settings. Make sure to preview on home and lock screens so you see how motion, alignment, and brightness interact before setting it globally. Finally, apply the wallpaper and confirm it plays smoothly across your home and lock screens. Set it only for home if the lock screen has restrictions. Once applied, monitor battery and performance and enable battery optimization exceptions for the wallpaper app if the animation stutters. If it fails, make sure the file format and size match your launcher's requirements, re-grant storage or overlay permissions, or try a different host launcher. One key tip: convert to WebP or a short optimized GIF to minimize crashes and lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.